Hey, Mark the Meerkat Suffron here at FreeOnlineTradingEducation.com, where I'm a mentor, host of the Rockstar Trading Room, and an analyst. Today we had a trade on First Solar in the Rockstar Room, FSLR, one of our favorites here. And here it was after opening. It jumped up, did a swing low, had a swing high, came down here, looked like it had a double bottom, and we were getting ready to short that if it went below it. What did it do instead? Well, instead it started to go back up, and again, this is, you could also call this a real big bear pullback, and now it's forming another bear pullback. We're still ready to go short. It's coming back down. It hit its head right here on the 50 period moving average, and bam, it did drop below there, and I am short. I didn't get filled on that candle. It was this candle here. I'm in 32.33. See what happened next. Bam, look at that, nice. Then it pulls back up, and again, coming down here, pulling up to this 8 EMA resistance line, and forming another, bear pullback. Sure enough, bam, there it goes. And boom, new low of day, at 22.11. It pulls back up again, pulls back down, another new low. Bam, there we go. Now we're coming up real close to this $22 possible line of support, and the even dollar amount can be a possible line. Oh, sliced right through it. Isn't that nice? Getting awfully far away from this 8 EMA. It pulled up here, tagged just over it, and it's now starting to settle in at around just below that $22 mark at about 21.90. Seems to be support. Pulling my stop down here just above this 8 EMA. And it got me out right there at $22 even for 1.4% in 16 minutes. Well, look at this though. Now it's starting to form, if this turns around again, another bear pullback, which it had done over and over and over again. So I went ahead and I set a short down here right after I got out of that one, that if this continued down, because just a bigger pullback than normal, I wanted to be short. And bam, there we go, and I'm in at $21.89. I'm short, and let's see where we went from there. Look at this. Nice. It does another, bear pullback here, and there we go, nicely going down. Well, now you see this descent here is starting to flatten out a little bit, so it's not nearly aggressive selling as it was. Another bear pullback here. There we go. Hey, there we are. Now we're down to new lows here. 21.57. Bam, 21.52. And now it's going sideways. I'm pulling my stop down here. This time I'm going to use the 20 period moving average as a line to put my stop just above. And as I did that, bam, there it goes. I am out at 21.66 for 1% in 12 minutes. So what happened after that, out of curiosity? It did kind of, you can see it's slowing down and starting to slowly roll up. And then it started to go back down to lows of the day again. Well, these are the kind of trades that we're doing in the Rockstar Room, and you're welcome to join us 30 days for free. Just go to FreeOnlineTradingEducation.com and go to the chat room page. And down below is where you can sign up for that free trial. And guess what? You don't even need your credit card. Well, this is Mark the Meerkat Suffron. According to Van K. Tharp in his book Super Trader, there's only two things you need to do to be a super trader. Number one is protect your assets so you can trade another day. And number two, cut your losers short and let your winners run. Sounds easy. Not so easy to do.